Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to make rosemary powder. First off, you want to start by measuring out your rosemary. You're going to measure out the amount of rosemary leaves you want to convert into powder. So in this video, I didn't actually make the rosemary powder at my place, so I stored it in a tight container to take to its first place to convert.
Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright. Yeah, baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you tell
Up next, on getting there, what you want to do is just put in your rosemary leaf into the blender and blend it to fine powder.
me love you. Oh.
You want to continue blending until you've gotten that powder consistency that you want. And that's it. This is how to make your rosemary powder. Bye guys. Can't wait to see you in the next video.